Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've got some exciting news. I finally got my Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I picked these up yesterday after it taking some time due to the quality control issues that Samsung was having. Most people's buds were delayed, hopefully to resolve any of the QC issues. So we're going to go ahead and open these up. Take a look at what you get if you're thinking about picking up a pair of these. I will put a link in the description below. So let's go ahead and open these up. I've gone ahead and I've already tore off the tabs because I did have to take a look at them when I picked them up yesterday, make sure that they were good. So we've just got our Samsung box. If we go ahead and open this up, I'm going to set this aside. First thing that you're greeted with is this little document that tells you how to put the earbuds in and get the perfect fit. Also goes over how to pair your earbuds to your device. Nothing there on the back, throw that over there. On the inside, this is new with Samsung's devices this year. You've got your little tab here that you pull down and you get a little box. Usually this has some paperwork, probably has our charging cable, but let's go ahead and take a look at that. So we'll go ahead and open this up, and yep, there's our charging cable. So here is the charging cable it comes with. It is USB-C, as you can see there. And inside it looks like there's also a little tab, and these are your different ear cups. So you've got some different ear tips to use to make sure that you got that perfect fit. Throw those off to the side. And it looks like we've got a book in here. Yep. And there's your user guide. Just your basic user guide, goes over your quick start. And we'll go ahead and throw that off to the side here. All right, so I got the silver pair. So first impressions, I really like the design of this case. I know that it's very close to the Apple AirPods Pro 2 cases as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. And there they are. So this is, like I said, the silver edition. Just looking around the case, on the bottom you have your pairing button. We have our USB-C charging port. I really like this clear top here. There's some Samsung branding on there. It's kind of hard to see. And once you open these up, you'll be greeted. You've got the orange and the blue. There are also the blade lights that come on. So kind of hard to get there in the camera, but you'll see those blade lights come on there to let you know that you've opened it up. And I really like the design of these. I'm just pull one out here. So this is Samsung's blade design, which is very close to the Apple AirPods Pro. It is the stem design, which is really nice. You do get those blade lights. Looking around here just to take a look, I did not see any QC issues. The QC issues were mentioned around the seams here with gaps. I don't see any gaps there. And around the stem. So just kind of looking at the stem here. Let's see, there we go. I don't see any gaps around there. So I think that these have been corrected, which is really good. We also have the ear tips here, which we'll go into a little bit later. These are a bit difficult to change out, and there is a specific way to do that. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the end so that you can make sure that you know how to do this and you don't ruin your ear tips when changing them. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look here at these blade lights. So when you open the case, you'll see that the blade lights come on. Here you can see the lights coming on. And you are supposed to be able to remove these. They are a bit difficult from what I found. So if you remove both of the earbuds from the case, it must be removed from the case. And what you're going to do is you're going to take both the earbuds and you're going to squeeze them. And you have to squeeze them at the same time in order to get those blade lights to come on. And you have to kind of squeeze pretty hard too, I've noticed. And you'll see they come on. There's your blade lights there. And then we can go ahead and squeeze. And once again, you have to squeeze pretty hard, as you can see, to get those to go off. So Hopefully Samsung will fix that in an update or maybe with the next gen release, because they are a bit hard to turn on and off. When the blade lights are on, let me go ahead and get them to come back on here. And you can see that they are very difficult. And if you don't squeeze in exactly the right spot, I've noticed, they don't seem to turn on. So we got one, so we have one on, but the other one's not on. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me put these back into the case here and show you in the app. If you open up the app, so you're going to go into your Galaxy Wearable app. So we'll go into the Wearables app. Let me go ahead and open those up so they connect. And we'll click on the buds here. This opens up the buds and all your controls and so forth, so you can go through when you first get this set up. It shows you your battery power for your case and for your left and right earbuds. So if we scroll down here and we go into the earbuds settings, so this is where you can make all kinds of different changes here. This does your voice control, your in-ear detection, reading your notifications out loud, so you can kind of play with this. We're going to go ahead and jump into sound quality. That's where you can do your equalizer. You can turn on the 360 audio. This is really cool for head tracking, especially if you're into immersive games like VR games. It works really well. I was testing it out the other day. It worked really well. But we're going to go ahead and go into our earbud controls. And down here we have earbud light controls. So you can set your blade lights to be steady. You can have them fade in and out, or you can have them blink. And so this shows you here where you're supposed to press. And it tells you to turn the lights on or off. You need to pinch and hold both earbuds when they're out of the case and not in your ears. So remember that you have to have them both out of the case. They can't be in your ears. You have to press them both at the same time or they will not work. And then this shows you when the battery's at least 30% is when those lights will show. If it's under 30%, they're not going to show up. So you can kind of mess around with these and you can see here how they work. So there's the steady, then we have the fade in and out, and then there's the blinking option. All right, so that is the Galaxy Bud3 Pros. I'm really enjoying using these. I've been using these for about a week now. They have replaced my everyday earbuds. I was using the Pixel Bud Pro, and these are just way better in my opinion. Great solid case. The earbuds themselves have been great. The active noise cancellation has been awesome. So if you are looking for a new pair of earbuds, I would definitely check these out. If you have a Galaxy phone, these are a great addition to the Samsung ecosystem. Pair of buds, Galaxy phone, Galaxy watch if you have one of those, and you're all set. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and always click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.